Francie and Vince's love story began a little over 3 years ago, starting with an introduction by a mutual friend, immediately followed by deep dives into one another's social media. Then it was on to the customary game of who would DM who first.
Vincent was always a very social person, always had friends everywhere he went. You were a darn cute kid. One day you're going to pass those genes on, and I look forward to it.
Francesca is the most easygoing, loving child.
Absolute ray of sunshine, just an absolute joy, a true gift.
Their first date lasted approximately 7 hours. And right when we thought he tossed her in the lake, she came back. Things had gone pretty well considering they were officially dating soon after.
Francesca is one of our oldest, bestest friends.
Yeah.
She was the calm one.
Yeah,
she was the rational one.
Yeah, big goofball. Sometimes you'll just be looking at him while he's doing something and he just entertains you while he's doing it.
Francesca, I promise to always be grateful to have you in my life. I love you always and not just when it's convenient for me.
Thank you for loving me in my hardest moments. And thank you for loving me with a gentleness and attentiveness that I never knew existed.
You look great.
You look so handsome. I vow to love you fiercely through all of life's ups and downs. I vow to be your biggest supporter and your biggest fan.
In sickness and in health, and even when you have cold hand syndrome. To always ask about your day, and always remember your orders for when we go out.
I vow to always be by your side through every challenge and celebrate with every joy. I am forever a better person for knowing and loving you. May our hearts remain intertwined for all of eternity.
To call you my wife is a dream. I vow to always look at you with pride and love in my eyes. I promise to always fight to impress you and for our love. I love you forever and always.
With honor and privilege, it is my pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Let's go.
To the dashing groom, Vince, I watched you come into our family's lives, steal my firstborn daughter from me, and rip my family apart. And more importantly, I watched you give Francie more reasons to smile, laugh, and love.
Together they're phenomenal. Separately they're phenomenal. But really together they're the dynamic duo to me. They got it.
It was really nice to see the way you two have interacted, because I know Vince. I've been the closest thing to Vince's wife for a very long time, and you have got it down. You know when to let him cook, when to tell him to stand down, and that's the key, because he's a special guy.
You guys just really do fit together really well, and you both care about each other a bunch, and you care about us a lot, which we appreciate. And I just know with you guys getting the house, getting the wedding, this next stage of your life is going to be just so exciting.
Vince, I am really so excited to have you in our family. not only because you're an electrician, but because I truly believe you will be a great addition.
We cannot wait to see what the future holds for you guys, and we look forward to many grandchildren.
Congrats, cheers, love ya.